Oh, the number is too big for us. It's too big. You cannot publish.
The thing is like this, it's unrelated everybody don't need. So the reduce of mass wasting.
But no one attempted it. We all of us went from number to number to number. You can pack it and do number two.
It is happening.
It is you. It is you. It is you to look at the question. First point, it is you to read it, interpret it, then come out with what? Because look at that time when I'm not around, you are with it alone. How do you take the standpoint? It is you. When you look at it and interpret it, that's when you come out with large extent or small extent. But here, as we are saying, it is a large what? Because the gravity of electricity is big and it solves a lot of what? Problems. That's what makes it a greater what?
Yeah, I was confused because of your point and what was referring that it is my voice which determines whether it should be less extent or greater extent.
Your arguments, the points are the arguments. You're getting it?
So me, I'm using that in order to know electricity at the vast level how it is going to work. That's what you're considering.
Yes.
But before that, the points, if I have those points, you have to look at the greatness of the
It's not about less points, it's about your arguments. It's about your arguments. Another? Another?
Minimizing flow of wastes.
Another we said? We said? Another one. Another we said? Dispose of waste. Dispose of waste is whether it is minimized. Dispose of waste is minimized. Dispose of waste is minimized. Examples of waste you can give? We say plastics. We say plastics. Yes. Another we say? We say rural electrification. Rural electrification. Leads to economic development. Leads to economic development. Leads to economic development. How does it lead to economic development? How does it lead to economic development?
Business.
We say, for example, establishment of business, establishment of factories, establishment of factories or businesses.
Maybe a teacher, this number is to a small extent. In terms of environment, but to a large extent in terms of other factors.
Let's first give them we are saying, for example, the establishment of industries, increase the income also. And also improvement in the living standards. Improvement in the living standards. Because all of us know when you shift from using firewood and electricity, there's improvement in the standard of what? Living. Another? Another, there's also improvement in agriculture. There's improvement in agricultural systems, practices, or you can call them modern methods of farming. Modern methods of farming. For example, which methods of farming can we look at that are associated? Irrigation, we say irrigation, because irrigation can be powered by, those machines are powered by electricity. Another example of machines that we're looking at refrigeration, where, for example, if you're a farmer, cultivate crops, instead of storing them manually in the beginner, store them in what? In a fridge. Refrigeration. So this minimizes losses because earlier farmers store in what? Keep them in stores. Here, what you harvest, you store in fridge, for example. That minimizes losses and it improves another? There is an improvement in public health. There's improvement in public health. There's improvement in public health. How does it improve public health? How does it improve public health? How does it improve public health? We say, for example, homesteads shift from using firewood. They shift from using firewood. We know the effects of firewood. Have we ever used firewood? We know the effects. What are the effects of firewood? You know that people gain what? There is exposure to pollution, to dangerous gases, causes respiratory diseases, and gives birth to cancer. And yes, so we are saying, whereby people shift from what? From firewood to clean cooking, which involves electricity. So we say, therefore, people in rural areas have adopted electric stoves. We know them. Electric stoves. Do we know them? Which other devices have they adopted? Electric stoves. Which other? So let's look at other factors now. Let's look at other factors. Then now we shall know. Is it to a large extent or small one? So let's now discuss other factors. Other factors? Other factors that can solve the problem of environment. One, government setting up strict laws. Government setting up strict laws. Against people who tamper with the environment. Examples of the strict laws that we can put in place. Examples of the strict laws. Remember, the question is a two-sided. It can be ask you to suggest, or it can tell you what has been done by government. So it's just literature as government can.
Historic wetland settlement.
Is that a strict one? Strict laws, for example. So we say imprisonment. Example, imprisonment. Imprisonment for people who encroach on environment. Another we say negative sanction. So what falls under negative sanction? What falls under negative sanction? Name and shame. Yes. So that when you're opening news at 7 in the evening, you say X, Y, Z encroached on the wetlands in Lubiji, so that everyone knows. Even when you go back home, your children know that you are one of the people that encroached on what? Encroached on Lubiji wetland. So that is negative sanctions, name and shame.